Welcome to this video where we'll talk you through how to use the massage gun on the quads, which are these muscles at the front of the thigh. We'll go through the attachment to use, the settings that you can put the massage gun on, where to target and how long for. We have a link in the description below and it'll take you through to our resource page where we have all of the different products that we'd suggest and recommend, so check it out. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from PhysioFit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. Targeting the quads, I would get you first thinking about where you are going to be sitting in order to do your massage. Now I would suggest getting you in long sitting, which is like this, with your legs out nice and straight. However, if it's a bit too uncomfortable for you, then sitting in a chair is also a good position. However, sitting in the chair, your knees are going to be slightly bent and it might put the quads on a little bit more of a stretch. So yeah, just please feel comfortable where you're sitting. The attachments that you might find useful would be the round one, or you might find the flat one quite useful. Now, the round one and the flat one, it just kind of spreads the pressure out a little bit and targets a greater area. And so, yeah, may be a little bit more comfortable than some of the pointier thumb style attachments. The setting that you can put it on would be around 8 to 10. The setting options that I have on this massage gun are 1 to 20, so I'd put it about halfway. With any of these settings, it's really a personal preference. So if you try it at that setting and you just don't like it, then you can decrease or increase the intensity. I'll get you doing it for 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. And then importantly, where are you going to target on the quads? Now, it really does depend on where is feeling tight for you. And sometimes the only way to figure that out is to get the massage gun and just run it over the muscle. So I'd get you doing it from the top of the thigh and then you can run it all the way down. Generally speaking, with the quads, people tend to get a little bit tighter on that outside part of the thigh. So that's really where I'd be suggesting to try out. If you do find a tight spot and it's fairly comfortable to keep the pressure there, then you can keep the massage gun over that area just for 5-10 seconds or so before moving on. So you're just kind of searching for where feels tight. Feel free to try the inside part of the thigh. I tend to find that's not really as tight as the outside one. So it's making a lot of assumptions here, but yeah, general rule, tight on the outside, a little bit tight on the front of the thigh and really not so tight on the inside. If you get any pain when you are using the massage gun, then please stop and then put it away and maybe go and get it checked out by someone just to figure out what's going on. As I said at the beginning, we have the link in the description below to the products that we would suggest and recommend, so check it out. If you are confused in any way about what you need to do, then you can get your own individual advice by booking an online physio appointment with us through our website. There's a book online now and it's really straightforward, and you'll just explain what's going on with yourself and we can go through really what's been going on, and then that gives you direction in what you might need to do going forwards just to help. See you soon.